Hello, dear tutor and classmate. My name is Yanet Ballesteros. I am 33 years old. I am currently clothing merchandise. A 12-year married. I am the mother and baby of a beautiful son named Matia. I love you. I love the dance. I love you, the music and the swing. I like and the municipality of the Tarra here the Catatumbo. I choose situation 2. Hello, welcome, Anthony. Today special is seafood spaghetti. Thank you. Would you like to order now, or do you want to see the menu? Yes, I will like today's seafood spaghetti special. What will you like to drink? I will take a bottle of water, please. Yes, of course. I will take your menu. Here is your food. Enjoy your dinner. Thank you. How has everything? Delicious, thank you. Would you like some meat for dessert? No, thanks. Just a bill, please. How much is it? It is $20, please. Here you have. You can keep the change. Thank you.